Remember, we are not using any Barlow. By luck, we have the red spot. I didn't check that. Look how small it is. I will take off the planet disk stabilization. That helps, only serves that purpose. To help to focus the planet. And now we will try. First, according to Robin, we will have to use the Roy. Select Roy like this, maybe. This. Like this. Apply. Okay, it's applied. And now, the tool. Live Planetary. Okay, and now let's go to sharpening. Because this is a smudge. This is not Jupiter. Let's increase this. Too much. Alright, alright. I'm starting to just a bit. 10. I'm increasing the first level 1 step by step. Just this is too much. Okay, stop here. Now the level 2. I will crank it up. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the arrows. Okay. I don't understand what glow this is here. If it's clouds or if it's the software. Now the level 3 up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Level 4. Level 4. It's cleaning this mess around. I don't know why. Level 4. Level 4. I'm increasing. I think this is too much already. It looks like those over sharp pictures on Registacks. Now level 5. Better. A bit more. Well, stop here. I will tell you my values. They are very low. If you notice here, the wavelets, I almost didn't move them. It's 120, 150, 120, 270, the level 4, and 140. Every single wavelet is around 120, 130, except the level 4. Just for you as a reference. Now we have saturation here at the right. Let's crank it up a bit to see what happens. Well, I can move the slider. Oof, too much. Like this. But I don't see the sharpness that I want. What can it be? Here. Only add the best 25% of frames. I will check this. Only the best 25. Remember, it's the first time. Reset. Let me see if it resets. Yes, it did reset, but it keeps the image like this. I don't understand. Okay. Reset it. What can I do more? Time lapse. No, this is to save a video. And I don't have more options apart from these ones. The wavelet. And at the right, color adjustment. It's only color. Lower the green. Increase the blue. Increase the red. 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 Better. Remember, I'm not using a Barlow. I think a Barlow will be good for this. Well, first thoughts. I like it. Comparing to the live view without any stacking. I like it because we can see better and in quiet mode the evolution of the image. But not comparing with the post-processment, of course. Okay, I will do that. I will add the Barlow. I will add the Barlow. I have it here. I think it will improve with the Barlow because it's very, I see the pixels very blocky. How's that now? It's better, very blocky. This is the Barlow. We need a Barlow. We need a Barlow. I'm going to place a Barlow. This is awesome. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Much better than watching it without live stacking. So far so good. So far so good. So far so good. So now I will reset everything and we will level up this thing. Better with a barrel. Now let's do it again. Oh, it was row 8. Select Roy. I will shrink it a bit. Like this. A little bit more. Like this. Apply Roy. Oof, I'm tired. Okay, and now the tool. Bam. Wow, man. Wow. What a... Wow. Look at this. Lower the red. Look at this. Dobsonian power. Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. Without post-processing. Live view, live stacking. Robin, thank you. Thank you, Robin. You did it, guy. You did it. Well, now you need to do something to take off these aberrations of the atmospheric dispersion. The red here, the blue here. Okay, let me save here. Save image as PNG. Bam! I'm super excited with this. Oh, I'm glad I did this today. For the first time in the Dobsonian Power channel, live stacking Jupiter planet with sharpcap Pro software. Listen the wiseness of the man of the mountain. 1 year ago, I had people telling me,
if you buy a Dobsonian, you only are able to do visual. Listen to me. Man on the mountain, you can only do visual with a Dobsonian. Are you listening to me?
And the man on the mountain turned around, didn't say nothing, and went to the mountain with his 12-inch Dobsonian telescope and his dog.